Hi, this is Bill. So in this demo, we'll talk about base classes in using Scripts Include in ServiceNow. So the base class predominantly can be extended or reused, dynamically reused to other script includes. So in this example, as I expand the code, you will see that I put a placeholder table name that you could basically pass to a GlideRecord. And as you know that calling or making database calls in ServiceNow is a common feature that is being utilized by developers. So this technique basically centralizes a place where you could utilize and use code, create it once, and be able to make database calls or server calls by just reusing this one class created all throughout other server-side calls. So eventually, since the table is dynamic, and since this is a base class, the inheriting class will be able to use all the functionalities in this object and at the same time add more functions in addition on what is on the base class. Now, let's move forward to the incident repository class that I've created, which is extending from the base class. Let us maximize this script editor for better visibility. And as you can see, eventually I have hard-coded the table name, but of course, this can be dynamically passed either from other script include. And as you can see, the first function is to complement the base class, which is not available feature on the base class we've created. So it's all about do not repeat yourself or dry approach. And as we move down, you will see using the this keyword, we can call out the JavaScript function that we created from the base class. Now, on this third example that we have created, we have encapsulated the base class functionality, which is get by sysid. So we are adding an abstraction layer, implementing the purpose of your requirement. And as we move forward, you will see that we are reusing the log function, passing dynamic data and returning the desired results. So what we have just implemented is basically applying software architecture best practices, decoupling, do not repeat yourself, implementing good coding practice. So now let us test the script using scripts background. And as you can see now, we have called the abstraction layer named incident repository. And as we pass the necessary data from the incidents table, and you can see that we are using the abstraction layer and printing the desired results. Now let us run the script, and as you can see, it has behaved as expected. I hope you enjoyed this video and follow for more as I create more advanced coding practices, demonstrating software design patterns, good coding practices, implementing good software architecture in ServiceNow. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next video.